Hey there, I'm back again with a simple, delicious and easy recipe. On today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's called Drunken Monkey Jam. Basically, banana jam. This jam, you can never go wrong with it. In a sauce pot, pour in your peeled and diced banana. Add in water, just a little bit of water, sugar, cinnamon powder, lemon juice, and the spicy rum. This is the secret ingredient that elevates your banana jam to the next level. After about 10-15 minutes, mash up your banana, because by this time it's already done. Banana doesn't take that long to cook or to tender. Then after that, cover it up for about 2 to 3 minutes to just simmer with all of the ingredients, and voila, you're done. It does not even take so long to make. And let me tell you one thing, this banana jam, it can be used on anything and everything. Your pancakes, your waffle, your toast, whatever you like.